In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Zendesk ticket. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just need a refresher, this guide will help you wrap up your tickets efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the ticket in the agent workspace. This is your centralized hub where you'll manage all your interactions and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Navigating to the ticket within this workspace keeps everything organized. Try to have a system in place for prioritizing which tickets to address, which will help you stay on top of your workload. Once you've got the ticket open, the next step is to add your final comment or update. This is crucial for maintaining a clear record of communication and making sure the customer knows where things stand. Your final comment should succinctly summarize the solution provided or any pertinent information that the customer needs to know. Being clear and thorough here makes a big difference in customer satisfaction. So take a moment to ensure your wording is friendly yet professional. With your final comment added, it's time to move forward and officially mark the ticket as resolved. To do this, look for the Submit as drop-down in the workspace interface. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the options provided, select Solved. This action tells your system and the customer that their issue has been addressed and resolved to the best of your ability. It's important to note that in Zendesk, you cannot directly set a ticket to closed from here. Tickets first transition to the solved status before they automatically move to closed. This design is intentional. Keeping tickets in solved status gives you or your team a chance to reopen them if any follow-up is needed or if the customer responds with additional information or questions. Tickets usually move to the closed status through automation in Zendesk, a measure intended to give you flexibility while also maintaining a streamlined workflow. One useful tip to remember is that clarity and communication are key throughout this entire process. From your initial ticket interaction through to its resolution, clear exchanges of information help prevent misunderstandings and ensure a pleasant experience for the customer. It's also a good idea to review your processes periodically to ensure that you're sitting at the cutting edge of efficient, high-quality support. There you have it. A straightforward guide to closing a ticket in Zendesk. Remember, a ticket moved to solved is not just a step towards closing, but also an affirmation of mission accomplished in terms of customer service. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification on any aspect of the process. Thanks for following along, and happy troubleshooting.